Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Discord connecting problem. So first of all, open settings on your mobile device, then scroll down below and tap on general. So from here, go to the option of iPhone storage. Now once you come here, scroll down below and search for Discord app. Once you find it, tap on the app. Now over here, tap on the option of offload app. Now tap on offload app again. So by doing this step, you will be able to clear cache from the application. Now again, tap on reinstall app and then wait for your app to be reinstalled. After you open the app, your problem will be fixed. Now another step that you can do in order to fix your issue is that open App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Then search for Discord. Here we go. Now tap on the app on top. Now over here, if you see the option of update like you see in my case, tap on it and make sure that your Discord app is updated to its latest version. If your app is not updated, you may face certain issues and crashes on the application. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.